Slowly, Sam. That's it. A little bit more slower. Holy.
I should have blown. Lollipop.
Oh, too fast. More exercise for Vero then. More exercise for you to bend down and up and down and up. Oh, Sammy. He's a bit hyped up. So silly.
Oh, is that the one you